My name is Max Hanisch, and I'm with the Carl Auto Group, and this is my 2023 Ford Lightning. I received this truck in September of this year, 2023. I was driving before a 2023 Ford Raptor, so quite the change from a Raptor to a Lightning. So my first impressions with obviously the EV vehicles, or in this case this 2023 Ford Lightning, was very interested in the new technology that was coming our way. I have a much bigger infotainment center. There's a lot of information just right there, I would call it in the cockpit right for you, so you have everything you need for your travels. So one of my favorite features on this particular truck is what we call Blue Cruise. So Blue Cruise is a hands-free driving feature that you will set your cruise, and as long as you're in what we call the blue zone, you can go ahead and take your hands off the steering wheel and the truck will drive you down the road, kind of give you a little bit of peace of mind. The truck also is equipped with Pro Power onboard, so this truck, with it being an electric vehicle, has a lot more juice and power that can be used. You could basically probably build a home off the back of this truck with your construction equipment. When you buy a Ford electric vehicle, obviously one of the big questions is charging. You can charge it on a regular outlet at home with your mobile kit that comes with the vehicle. And then also it came with the Pro Power home upfit charging station as well. If equipped with an 80 amp breaker, I believe it is, you can charge actually about 30 miles per hour. So you park it for the night, next morning you're pretty much fully charged. A question I get asked a lot is, would I recommend an electric vehicle? The answer is yes and no. It just depends on your lifestyle. If you're somebody who daily commutes a little like I do for work, it's perfect. If you're somebody who may be possibly driving 200-300 miles a day, it's probably not the vehicle for you. But for me, again, I don't drive very much and it just works great for me. Once you test drive an electric vehicle, it's kind of a life-changing moment. I am still getting used to the changes from the gas to electric, but overall I am very pleased. We have a lot to look forward in the future.